Hi everybody.
Hey everyone. So today Kayleigh's going to do a dip. Well, she's going to attempt a dip. She's never done one. So we picked out two 8x10 canvases, and she's going to tell you her colors while I grab her white base.
Liquitex quinacridone magenta, Soho lemon yellow, Soho cad orange, and a burgundy color that does not have a name anywhere. Do you know what it's called?
That's a premix burgundy.
Oh.
Special custom mix.
Lucas chrome green light and Soho sap green. I get to step out of the way.
So I'm just going to put this white on the canvas for her so she can start her drawing her flower out with her paints. And then she's going to dip another canvas on top of it. If you watch Fiona Art, you kind of know what we're talking about. If you haven't checked out Fiona's channel, do that. She is the best little dipper I've ever met. Alright, Miss Kay. So I want you to just paint out a flower with your colors, and then that'll help you with the placement of the leaves, okay? So I'm just putting some paint on these canvases is all. Come over on this side. Okay. So I think she'll be alright on that one. I don't want to get a lot of paint on this because then we have trouble when we lift it. So go ahead and start making the flower with colors.
Do I just do dots or something?
You can do dots, you can do leaves, you can do, like the petals or whatever.
Like that?
I put a little bit more. Because when we...
Like that?
But yeah, and just keep do like 5 or 6 petals. Because when we push the other canvas down, you'll see what it does. But we don't want to have too much paint on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's going to be too much, so we got to be careful. Okay. So then, like on these, just maybe put a couple little dots of those colors towards the middle too.
Like that?
Yeah. Let me do your center for you, and then you can build off of that. Okay. Now, no, put some more yellow on there.
Where?
On your petals.
On them?
Yeah, like right here. That's not on them.
Well,
here, now I'll help you. I'm going to go ahead and put your contrast color here. And you're getting paint on here.
Sorry.
Where did that come from? Your finger?
My finger.
Sorry. It's okay. I just don't want you to ruin your painting. Alright, so let's get some little greenage on there now for leaves. So we don't want to put it on heavy though.
How do I do that?
Here, I'll do the dark.
Oh, I just do those?
And then you do the light right next to it, okay?
Okay, wait till you're done.
Okay. We'll make it a community flower. Not so much.
I'm not trying to. I'm not even squeezing.
Bottle control. Alright, so I think we're going to look good there. Let me just pull this out just a little bit, just to give it a little more effect. You got a ton of paint in these petals. Alright. So now we place that canvas on top of that one.
I can't.
Sure you can.
It's scary.
Just pick it up by the back. Here. Grab your pegs. There you go. And put it right on top of there.
It doesn't have to be even?
Yeah, you want it right on top. Okay, are your hands clean?
kind of.
Here, wipe the tippies, because we're going to rub the back of that canvas.
Okay.
Because we want it all to make contact, so we're just going to rub like that. Hold your canvas so it don't slide.
Oops.
And don't squish. Just lightly. You can even, like, use the back of your fingers. There you go. Okay, and that'll help get those inside corners. Since you've never done this before. This is her first time.
You said never, like, sarcastically, since you've
Never done this before. Alright, let's get it back in the middle.
You can pull it up.
You want me to pull it up? Chicken. She's chicken.
Scary. If it turns out bad, I'm gonna be mad.
Well, we have a lot of paint on here, so I'm not sure what it's gonna look like.
Ew.
Ooh, it's pretty. Look at that. You got two beautiful little flowers. Look how pretty that is.
I like this one more. Or no, this one I mean.
Alright, let's torch it. We're out of juice.
Again?
Yep. So we'll grab our skewer. This one looks really good. I'm not going to touch this one. This one we need to fix a little bit here. We'll just pull some of this out and make some squigglies to make it look more petally.
Leaves, petals have stragglers.
Yeah, sometimes. Nobody questioned me.
Well, I've never...
She's questioning me.
Maybe I'm not a flower expert.
No, but you are an internet expert.
Not when it comes to making internet things.
Alright, why don't you lift them up and show them how pretty they are.
I want to lift the...
You can do them both. We'll torch them after we get done.
This one is my favorite one.
That's so pretty.
Because it looks like 3D, kind of, like, yeah. To me, at least. And this one is...
They're pretty.
You can keep this one.
Okay, I'll keep one and you take one.
Okay.
There. So Kayleigh's first flower dip.
And my last one.
And probably her last one. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us every Monday night at 9 p.m. We're live on this channel. Check out the Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies. I just have a feeling you're going to stick your hand in there.
Okay.
Check out our Etsy shop for jewelry. Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Coat is below. Fan mail box, PayPal link. Everything is below. Paint mixing videos as well. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.
Bye.